Welcome back, everyone. We're glad you could join us again. Now, have you ever found it hard to stay motivated while working towards your goals? It's a common challenge that many of us face, and it's one that can make the journey to achieving our goals feel like an uphill battle. Staying motivated is not just about setting goals and working towards them. It's about pushing through the tough times, the times when the finish line seems far away and journey seems too difficult. One of the biggest enemies we face is procrastination. It's the art of delaying or postponing tasks, and it can be a significant roadblock on the path to achieving our goals. Procrastination can sneak up on us in subtle ways, making us believe that we have more time than we actually do, or that the task at hand is too difficult to tackle. Now that we understand the problem, the question is, how do we overcome it? One of the first steps to staying motivated is to cheat procrastination. Now, you might be thinking, how do I cheat procrastination? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Imagine a daunting task. It feels like a mountain you need to climb, doesn't it? But what if we break that mountain into a series of hills? Suddenly it doesn't seem so intimidating. This is the concept of breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. It's like eating an elephant. You can't do it all at once, but you can if you do it one bite at a time. Now let's add a dash of fun into the mix. After conquering each hill, reward yourself. It could be a 5-minute break, a piece of chocolate, or even a quick dance party. This makes the process more enjoyable and motivating. So, breaking down tasks and rewarding ourselves can help us cheat procrastination, but what else can we do? Before we delve deeper into the ocean of motivation, let's take a moment to pause. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We're constantly working to bring you videos just like this one, filled with tips and tricks to help you navigate life's challenges. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now let's dive into our next chapter of combating procrastination and keeping ourselves motivated. Onwards. Another key step to staying motivated is setting realistic goals. You see, the goals we set have a profound impact on our motivation. If they're too lofty, we may feel overwhelmed. If they're too easy, we may lack the drive to pursue them. The solution? SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific goals are clear and well-defined. Instead of "I want to get fit," you might say, "I want to be able to run 5 miles without stopping." Measurable goals can be quantified. You know exactly when you've achieved them. Achievable goals are within your capabilities. They challenge you, but they're not impossible. Relevant goals align with your broader life objectives. They're meaningful to you. And time-bound goals have a deadline. They give you a sense of urgency. By using this SMART framework, you're setting yourself up for success. By setting realistic goals, we can keep our motivation levels high, but there's still more to it. The power of positivity can also play a crucial role in staying motivated. In this vast universe of ours, energy matters. Positive energy in particular has the power to propel us forward. Even when the road is rough and uncertain, it's all about perspective. Imagine your journey towards your goal as a glass of water. Is it half full or half empty? Those who see it as half full are focusing on their progress, the steps they've already taken towards their goal. They are the ones who harness the power of positivity. On the other hand, seeing the glass as half empty means focusing on the road yet to be traveled, the steps yet to be taken. This can often lead to feelings of overwhelm and procrastination. So how do we cultivate this positive mindset? By celebrating our small victories, by focusing on our progress rather than our setbacks, and by reminding ourselves of our achievements. Cultivating a positive mindset can significantly boost our motivation, but remember, it's a journey, not a race. Let's briefly recap the steps to staying motivated on your journey to goal achievement. Firstly, cheating procrastination. This involves breaking down tasks into manageable parts, making it less overwhelming and more achievable. Don't forget to reward yourself for each small victory. It's a great incentive to keep going. Next, we talked about setting realistic goals. This is key to motivation. When you set goals that are too high, it becomes discouraging when you can't reach them. But when your goals are realistic, you can achieve them step by step, fueling your motivation to keep pushing forward. And lastly, the power of positivity. Cultivating a positive mindset can make a world of difference. When you believe in yourself and keep a positive attitude, it can give you the strength and determination to overcome any obstacles that may come your way. Remember, staying motivated is a continuous process. Keep these steps in mind and you'll find it much easier to stay motivated on your journey to achieving your goals.